Genealogy is a good reference to behaviours and conditions that are appearing in an individual. By connecting whether behaviour and conditions are family-rooted, practitioners can have a useful understanding of their patient's existing psychological conditions. A genogram refers to a diagram illustrating a person's family members, how they are related, and their medical history. This is where a genogram symbol sheet acts as a useful tool. A genogram symbol sheet are symbols which are used in a genogram to highlight patterns in family relationships. Family lines directly connect to each member. Even a superficial relationship may spring a specific influence on another member. It is a must-have for those who need to go deeper into the root cause of a certain condition of a patient. Relationships that are not properly identified could have a huge impact on an individual. Although this may seem like a normal family chart, this goes beyond listing the members with lines. Genogram symbols can analyze the nature of family, behavior, emotional, and social relationships. These are some of the genogram symbols that are present when making a genogram. Firstly, we have a square and a circle, which depicts a cis male or cis female. We have a circle and a square to show a transgender male, and a square and a circle to show a transgender female. The line between the shapes identify the nature of the relationships. Here are some examples of what lines are used to show the type of relationship that exists between the two shapes. We also have relationship comments. By putting a dash through the lines, it acts as a commentary to depict what state the relationship is in. We also have lifespan, where if you put a cross through the shape, it shows whether the person is deceased or not. You can also put their age, birth year, and death year. The shape of the line can also be adjusted to show the emotional relationship between the two shapes. We have indifferent, distant, estranged, friendship, very close, conflictual, physical abuse, emotional abuse, sexual abuse, and neglect. Abuse lines should include an arrow pointing towards the victim. Through these diagrams, we can see how the relationship of a biological child is shown, adopted child, foster child, twins, identical twins, pregnancy, miscarriage, male stillbirth, and female stillbirth. Here we have a sample of a genogram symbol sheet and how the symbols are used in a genogram. To find our genogram symbol sheet, visit our Carepatron platform. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the specific worksheet.